American military aircrafts. The United States military is equipped with some of the most advanced and powerful aircraft in the world. From the iconic F-16 Fighting Falcon to the stealthy B-2 Spirit bomber, American military aircrafts are designed for a wide range of missions, including air superiority, close air support, reconnaissance, and strategic bombing. These aircrafts are the result of decades of technological innovation and engineering excellence, and they represent the cutting edge of military aviation. With their superior performance and capabilities, American military aircrafts play a crucial role in maintaining the United States military dominance and ensuring global security. The American military continues to invest in the development of new and advanced aircraft, such as the F-35 Lightning II, which is set to become the cornerstone of the Air Force's fighter fleet. In addition, the United States is also exploring advanced technologies, such as drone swarms and hypersonic missiles, which will further enhance the capabilities of American military aircraft. These developments ensure that the United States will maintain its air superiority and continue to be a dominant force in the skies for years to come.
Thank you for watching this video.